Foxes are small to medium-sized mammals belonging to the family Canidae, closely related to dogs, wolves, and coyotes. The most well-known species is the red fox, Vulpes vulpes, but there are over 37 species of foxes, including the Arctic fox, fennec fox, and gray fox. Foxes are found all over the world, from urban areas to deserts, forests, and tundras, thanks to their adaptability and cunning nature. Foxes are characterized by their slender bodies, pointed ears, and bushy tails, which are often called brushes. They have sharp, triangular faces with a keen sense of hearing, smell, and sight. The red fox, in particular, is easily recognized by its rusty red coat, white underbelly, and black legs. However, other species vary in color, such as the Arctic fox, which has a white coat in winter to blend with the snow, and the fennec fox, with its sandy fur and large ears adapted to the desert heat. Foxes have retractable claws that aid in climbing, especially in species like the gray fox. Their bushy tails help with balance when running and climbing and can also be used to keep warm by wrapping around their bodies. Foxes are generally solitary animals, though some species, like the gray fox, may live in small family groups. They are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active at night, though they can also be seen during early morning or dusk. Foxes are known for their intelligence and resourcefulness, often exhibiting problem-solving skills. They have excellent communication skills, using a combination of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to communicate with other foxes. They produce a range of sounds, including barks, screams, and howls, especially during mating season. Foxes have adapted to a wide range of habitats. The red fox is the most widespread carnivore in the world, found in forests, grasslands, mountains, and even urban environments. Arctic foxes live in the frozen landscapes of the Arctic, while fennec foxes thrive in the deserts of North Africa with their large ears helping to dissipate heat. Foxes are also highly adaptable to human environments, and red foxes, in particular, are often seen in cities and suburban areas, where they scavenge for food in trash bins or gardens. Foxes are omnivores, with a diet that varies depending on their environment and the season. They are opportunistic feeders, eating a mix of small mammals like rabbits, rodents, and birds, as well as insects, fruits, and plants. In urban areas, foxes will often scavenge for human food waste. During the summer, foxes may hunt small prey, but in colder months, they rely more on caching, burying food for later consumption. This behavior helps them survive when food is scarce. The breeding season for most foxes occurs in late winter. Female foxes, called vixens, give birth to a litter of kits, or pups, after a gestation period of about 50 to 55 days. A typical litter consists of 4 to 6 kits, though it can vary. Kits are born blind and dependent on their mothers for food and protection. They begin to venture out of the den after about 4 weeks. Both the male and female foxes participate in raising the young, teaching them how to hunt and survive. After about 6 months, the kits become independent and leave the family group. Foxes face a variety of natural predators, including larger animals like wolves, coyotes, and eagles. However, their biggest threat is often humans, who may view foxes as pests, particularly in farming areas where foxes might prey on livestock like chickens. Despite their adaptability, fox populations in some areas are threatened by habitat loss, hunting, and disease. Rabies and mange are 2 common diseases that affect foxes, sometimes leading to population declines. Foxes have a prominent place in many cultures and mythologies around the world. They are often depicted as cunning and tricksters, using their intelligence to outwit enemies or solve problems. In Japanese folklore, foxes, or kitsune, are considered mystical creatures capable of shape-shifting and possessing magical powers. In Western folklore, the fox is frequently portrayed as sly and crafty, often in stories like Aesop's fables. The red fox is also a popular symbol in the UK, where fox hunting was a traditional sport, though controversial due to concerns about animal cruelty. Most fox species are not endangered, though some, like the island fox and Darwin's fox, are considered vulnerable due to habitat destruction and small populations. Conservation efforts in national parks and wildlife reserves have helped stabilize some of these species. The adaptability of foxes to both wild and urban environments has helped them survive in many regions where other species have struggled. Foxes are fascinating animals known for their intelligence, adaptability, and versatility. Whether they're navigating the wild tundra, deserts, forests, or urban environments, foxes have proven to be skilled survivors in a changing world. Their behavior, cunning nature, and significance in human culture make them one of the most intriguing mammals in the animal kingdom. Despite facing threats from human activity and disease, foxes continue to thrive in diverse habitats around the globe.